news today is that the U.S. tariffs are finally kicking in. And what's confusing to a lot of traders, that stocks are trading higher, even though these tariffs are supposed to raise costs for Americans and also squeeze profit margins for U.S. companies, as well as a lot of companies abroad. So why are stocks doing so well? Well, it's because, there seems to be carve-outs. The tech sector has gotten a carve-out for chips. Market seems to be cheering that those stocks are leading the gains. We also have increased prospects of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut after the weaker jobless claims report that reinforced the softness that we saw in the non-farm payrolls report last week. So, perhaps the Fed will come in with some type of stimulus to ease the pain for Americans. The US dollar is also trading higher because a lot of investors are finally looking at the tariffs as, a serious risk for a lot of other countries like the Eurozone and Switzerland specifically, with 39% tariffs. And in addition to that, I think, the market likes the fact that we finally have a little bit of uncertainty. The tariffs are beginning, they're not great, but at least, maybe the trade deals are done. We can move past that. I think, there's still some countries like Canada that hope to get that 35% level notched down, and they're still in talks. But overall, Treasury Secretary Bissent has said that most of the trade deals are done, so maybe we can move past that, and that certainty can allow businesses to make the decisions they need to invest in the future and where they're going to move their facilities. So all of that are explanations for why stocks are trading higher today, but I don't think it removes the fact that there's a lot of economic uncertainty ahead. I want to hear what you think, whether or not you think that the tariffs warrant the rise in stocks as well as the dollar, or do you think that we're just, seeing a final push higher before a new lower in equities? I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below.